I am 6 months pregnant, so I'm sure just like all the mommies who are also pregnant here or nursing, you wanna ask, meron ba talagang coffee na pwede sa akin? Hello, Madiskarte Moms! Welcome to another episode of Roxy Reviews. This is powered by PLDT Home Biz. At kung hindi nyo pa nagagawa, join our Madiskarte Moms Facebook group. You can also share, like, and subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para kayo ang laging nauuna tuwing meron kaming i-release na bagong YouTube videos. And you know what? Ang featured product natin ngayon, nako, bagay na bagay sa akin because I am a coffee lover. I would say that coffee is in my DNA. It runs in my blood. I cannot go through the day without it. But now that I'm 6 months pregnant, and I'm sure yung mga mommies din natin dito lactating and also carrying a life inside their tummies are worried if coffee is okay. But now, I found this perfect coffee blend for all of us moms, and it is called, ta-da! Mama Blends! Itong 8-in-1 na coffee drink mix has premium and all-natural ingredients. So mga mommies, diba, alam naman natin that malunggay helps us boost our milk supply. So meron ito niyan. At syempre, bonus pa dyan, may silimarin, may kale, and fiber to also help us with our immune system. Lalo na tayong mga pregnant or lactating moms, mas kailangan mas strong tayo for our babies. And of course, the best part mga mommies is super sarap niya. O diba, pampag-good vibes pag sa umaga. And you know mga mommies, kung kayo naman hindi talaga mahilig sa kape, don't you worry because we still have this 6-in-1 Mama Blend Chocolate Drink Mix. You know, what's nice about it is fortified din siya with key ingredients such as malunggay, fennel, and ginger. So, ang maganda pa dito, yung ginagamit na sweetener is stevia and it has 0 calories. The creamer used is also non-acidic and non-dairy. Kaya naman for those lactose intolerant, pwedeng-pwede to sa inyo. And of course, the cocoa is locally sourced for its yummy taste. With safe health benefits katulad ng coffee blend, these products are really good for recovering and nursing moms. You know what, mommies? They also have other great products such as this Mama Blend Scented Patch. Pwede yan para hindi tayo lamukin ng ating mga babies. And kung nursing mom ka rin, sobrang sakto to sa'yo. This is the Mama Blend Nipple Rescue Stick. Very affordable ang products ng Mama Blends. Imagine at 148 per pack of 6 sachets, you already get all the health benefits you need in one delicious package. So if you are also preggy like me na mahilig magkape or a chocolate lover or maybe a combination of the two, you better check out now Mama Blends on their official Lazada and Shopee accounts or pumunta rin kayo sa kanilang social media accounts, Instagram and Facebook at mamablends.ph. This has been so much fun, mga mommies. You know, I super enjoyed and I love spreading the positive vibes. Again, I am Mommy Roxanne for Roxy Reviews and we are powered by PLDT Home Biz.